So everyone's known method of getting system information is just go to my computer. Then you can right click and open properties. In this window you can get some brief information about your computer. In here this is the Windows edition. Then you have got some information about your operating system. So I have got Windows 7 Ultimate operating system. Then right below you have got some kind of system information about your computer. In a processor I have got Intel Core i3 processor. Your RAM memory I have got 4 GB of RAM. System type 64-bit operating system, pen and touch, like this. In down below you have got some computer name, domain and work group setting information. So this is the very basic way of getting some brief information about your computer. Then I think you all know about you have got a VGA card, right? Then in this window you can't get any kind of information about your VGA card. So let's check how to get some brief information about our VGA card. So close this and go to your desktop, then right click to screen resolution and there's advanced setting. Then you can open a window like this. In this window you can able to get some information about your VGA card. So I have here got, so here I have got 1696 MB VGA card. So this is another way about getting information about your VGA card. So that's a very basic getting information about your computer. So if we think we got some lot more information about our computer, there is another way. Go to run window, just press Windows key and R, then you can able to open run window. Then type ms info 32, then click OK. Then you have got system information window. In this window you can get lot more information about your computer. Then first you go to OS name, Microsoft Windows 7 Ultimate operating system version, OS manufacturer, system name, system manufacturer. I have got a Dell computer, so yes, I get the information about Dell Inc. System model, Inspiron, my laptop model. I can know my laptop model in here. System type 64-bit based PC. Processor, same information, right? Core i3 processor. BIOS version, this is a very important detail. BIOS version, SM BIOS version. Windows directory mean which partition of our computer we have got a installed our operating system. So I have got installed it in C partition, Windows folder. Then system directory, boot device, hardware abstraction layer, username, time zone, like lot more info. You can got lot more information about your computer. This is a brief, right? Then you have got some categories here, categories and subcategories. Here you can click some subcategories and get information separately. First click conflicts and sharing. You have a lot more information. DMA, post hardware, input output informations. Then IRQs, memories. These are RAM information. Like then you can get some components like CD-ROM. Which kind of CD-ROM do you have? Drive is E. Description, media loaded, no media loaded. Media type, name, manufacturer, status, manufacturer C, standard CD-ROM drives, transfer rate, like this information. So then you can got some information about your software environment. System drivers, like system drivers, environment variables, print jobs, network connection, running tasks. So in this single window, system information window, you can get lot more information about your computer. So let's discuss about another way of getting some lot information about your computer. So in previous session we have got all information in graphical way. So let's see how to get some information about your computer in command line view. So for that you have to open your Windows command prompt. Go to command prompt and so in CMD there is CLI for getting information about your computer. That means WMIC stand for Windows Management Instrumentation Command Line. So you can open that command line, just type WMIC. So this is a common error. WMIC is not recognized as an internal or external command. So that means the command prompt can't find the path environment for that WMIC command. So you can troubleshoot this error simply. Just go to my computer, then just right click and go to properties like previous, then go to advanced system setting. Then you can able to open system properties, then go to environment variables. In here you can select path and go to edit. Then you have to insert the location of your WMIC path. So WMIC path usually located in C partition Windows. Go to system 32 in WBEM. So go to this WBEM file and in here you can copy the path location. Already there is some path in here, don't delete it, just input a semicolon and paste that copied path. Okay, then press OK. Then now let's check again that command. So you have to reopen the CMD. So I have then close and reopen the command prompt. Now you can enter that command WMIC. Okay, now you are in the CLI. In here you can get lot more information about your computer in CLI view. For example, I am typing OS. So I have got lot more information about my operating system, right? Boot device, build number, build types, caption, code set, country code. The build type mean multiprocessor or not. So I have got multiprocessor operating system. Then here you have got creation class name, CSDB version, CSN name, CS name, current time zone. So lot more information only about your OS. So let's check how to get the this WMIC CLI commands. So just exit from the CLI and type WMIC /? Then you have got all the command of WMIC CLI. So in here you can see, right, this is the previous code that we have checked our OS. Then you can get BIOS information, CD-ROM information, CPU, so lot more information about your computer hardware and software. So let's check how much cache memory I have got in my CPU. The code for check system cache memory, this is cache memory management, memcache. The code is memcache. So let's type memcache. So in here I have got about my cache memory information. So you can see in cache memory information category you have got 3 lines of details. So that means you have got 3 cache memories in your computer. It's L1 cache, L2 cache and L3 cache. So the first line is L1 cache memory information, second line is L2 cache memory information, and last is L3 cache memory information. In here you are able to get sizes of your 3 cache memory types.